Mainly you're working on your weakness. So for me, I'm working on my form. I'm working on swinging through and picking up my spares.
Well, usually throughout the summer, I usually am out here. Try to be once a week, sometimes every 1 to 2 weeks, but this is about the time of the season I'm really in it. I bowl a lot, about 3 times a week. We're all getting along. Everyone's pretty amped up. The bus is really loud. You couldn't really hear the person next to you, but everybody was pretty amped up.
There's a lot of unknowns. You don't know the talent levels on everybody that showed up. You don't know, starting off, what they need to work on, what their skill sets are, how familiar they are with the game, what they understand for a more technical bowling side of it, especially down the line. And with us having 2 practices before our first meet, we don't have a whole lot of time to try to figure all that out. So our first couple practices are very hectic and crucial.
It can be very aggravating. I mean, as a father and the coach's child, you know, he's gonna go home and tell me what I need to work on. And out of practice, he's gonna help me out league and be like, you need to really focus down and drill down on that. Even if we want a good score, at the end of the day, it's still a practice.